What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we are checking out the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition, and this is a very orange box, as you can see, but we're gonna see what this thing is all about, unbox it, and see what comes inside, because I'm actually kind of excited here. So let's open this little flap right here. Salute to speed, and that is mainly a thing because, well, McLaren, but also there's 10 gigabytes of freaking RAM in this phone. Yeah, let's go ahead and pop the lid. Oh, we have a box inside of a box. You see salute to speed, fast and smooth right there at the top. And let's pull this out. Okay, we have some accessories here. We'll check those out in a second. This is a very premium unboxing experience, as you can tell, but let's open this like book kind of thing. Is this a book or is it a phone? Okay, so we have a lot of information in here. I don't know, we can read through this at some point. This is a really cool book though. It's obviously all orange. So let's skip to the end and we see speed meets speed. And this is the phone, and oh boy, does this look so clean, so clean. Let's go ahead and pop these stickers off of this. Now, in reality, this phone right here, it has just this little like kind of orange stripe at the bottom. Very subtle, and it kind of fades off to black at the top. And here, we'll go ahead and power that on and check out everything else that comes in the box. This is actually a really cool book though. I think that this thing looks really awesome all around. So, inside of here, we do have some accessories. We have a carbon fiber case right here. We do have a nice orange USB to USB Type-C cable and orange clips to go along with it. And then we have an orange and black power adapter. Really cool stuff. Oh, and can't forget about the little orange headphone adapter that's inside of here as well. So you're gonna need that in case you want to use headphones with this phone, because it does not have a headphone jack. Anyway, there's one other thing in here that I think is really cool. This, I don't know what this is. It's like a little statue or like a, you know, like an award plate, I guess. All right, so here we have, it's just I don't know. This is like a little acrylic plate that just has like a little logo inside of it. And it's a piece of carbon fiber, McLaren MCL33 edition carbon fiber, 2018, handcrafted in England. So it's just a nice little thing that you can kind of sit on your shelf and say, hey, I got this McLaren phone and this is the proof that I have to show for it. Aside from, obviously, the orange stripe here at the bottom of this glossy black phone. I think this whole thing is a very premium unboxing experience. It's a pretty cool phone though. I mean, you're literally paying for like the logo and an orange stripe and then this kind of premium unboxing experience, because outside of the regular 6T, you don't get anything extremely special. Like I said, here's all the accessories that we have here. So nothing's drastically different from getting a regular OnePlus 6T unless you want to have that like McLaren branding all over it. Even on the case right here, we have the McLaren branding. So you can slap that on there, and once you do that, you basically have just a regular OnePlus 6T with, you know, a McLaren logo at the bottom of your case. I don't know. I think the whole experience is really cool. This book right here is really cool, but a lot of everything else here is the same. Of course, we do have 10 gigabytes of RAM, and we have 256 gigabytes of storage in this model. So really not much else to see here, but if you want to see that full review and how it compares to the previous OnePlus 6T, go ahead, leave a thumbs up, drop a comment below, do all those things, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to be notified when new videos like this drop. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.